Introducing the DCO-1000-ASL, a DIN rail fanless embedded computer designed for modern industrial automation. With its space-saving DIN rail mounting system, the DCO-1000-ASL ensures secure, stable installation, quick setup, and easy maintenance. Powered by Intel Atom X7433RE processor, the DCO-1000-ASL delivers efficient and reliable processing. Its ultra-compact form factor makes it perfect for confined industrial environments. The DCO-1000-ASL also features extensive I/O options such as two USB 3.2, Gen 2 and 4.2.5 GbE LAN, enabling seamless connectivity with sensors and cameras. Flexible M.2B key and E key expansion support high-speed storage and module upgrades for evolving industrial applications. Experience complete control with out-of-band management, starting with real-time defect detection. Instantly identify issues in your devices before they escalate. Effortlessly monitor your infrastructure from anywhere, anytime. Diagnose and fix issues remotely, eliminating delays and the need for on-site visits. Minimize downtime, reduce costs, and keep your operations running smoothly, no matter the challenge. With advanced IoT connectivity, the DCO-1000-ASL acts as a central hub for seamless communication. Designed for harsh environments, the DCO-1000-ASL offers extended temperature tolerance, shock and vibration resistance, advanced power protection, and wide power input for consistent 24/7 operation. With certifications including UL, CE, and FCC, the DCO-1000-ASL meets global industrial standards, providing peace of mind for mission-critical deployments. Tailored for a wide range of industries, from industrial automation, smart city to food processing, the DCO-1000-ASL empowers businesses to push the boundaries of innovation. Built rugged, built ready. DCO-1000-ASL, your ultimate DIN rail, fanless computer for industrial IoT.